Hi guys, my name is Heather and this is Liam, and together we're going to be showing you some of the exciting and unique experiences here at the Ecofarm. Come on, let's go! Here at Cabo Adventures, sustainability, conservation, animal wellness, and support to neighboring communities are some of their dearest core values. To uphold their efforts, they have incorporated to their tours unique and exciting eco-friendly experiences here at the Ecofarm, a special area dedicated to production and education through interactive workshops in which they aim not only to share, but also to plant the seed of new learning experiences and show you what a truly responsible and committed company does behind the main stage to make a better use of their resources, while keeping their staff and guests engaged in these very important and necessary matters.
Welcome friends to our first hands-on plastic recycling plant. My name is Andrea, and here in Cabo Adventure we have an exclusive project named Precious Plastic. Here you will learn how we manage our plastic by converting them into useful and functional items.
Humans have made a lot of plastic, and that's kind of a big problem by now. We are worried about the impact of plastic and together want to help recycling it.
It all starts with a collection point where we gather as much as plastic as possible, and then that is when we bring it inside here to transform it into new recycled items.
Precious Plastic is a worldwide network started in 2013, in which thousands of people and communities are working to fix the plastic waste problem. The Precious Plastic universe provides training for the people, the machines, the knowledge and techniques, and much more.
In other words, we are part of an open hardware plastic recycling project that relies on a series of machines and tools in which we grind, melt, and inject recycled plastic, allowing for the creation of new products out of recycled plastic on a small scale. Around the world, Precious Plastic is composed of more than 40,000 people in over 400 workspaces.
So we made it to the second section, which is called Oh Shit. Here in Rancho Tierra Sagrada, we have 24 camels.
24 camels that make a lot of food, and it was all wasted. So we have created an ecological and original alternative to wood-based paper by making products using something that we have plenty of, camel food. So the camel food comes out partially dry, and thanks to the camel diet based on alfalfa, it is rich in fiber, and that fiber is just what we need.
So our second step is to separate the fiber from the poop. This is kind of a workout. Now we need to smash it.
So when the poop is already pulverized, it is time to make chemicals. It's time to begin the sedimentation process. We will cook the remaining matter at 300 degrees so we make sure that no bacteria survives, and we are left with clean fiber that can be turned into working materials.
But fiber is not enough. We need two more ingredients, which is recycled paper and water.
Why recycled paper? Because Cabo Adventures is a big company and we have a lot of paper at the office. So the idea is to use again all the resources. Here I have an example of my paste made with my three ingredients, water, fiber, and recycled paper. And now we need to make a sheet of paper.
Overall, recycling 1 ton of paper saves 20 trees and 7,000 gallons of water. Therefore, this workshop was born from the need to create awareness of something we want you to keep in mind. Trash is just a resource at the wrong place. Baja California Sur, and this region specifically, is home of a wide variety of flora and fauna. Sometimes they have found animals that didn't have the best handlings and needed help.
So we decided to create an area where we can give them a lot of love and the best handlings, trying to behave them in some cases. So guys, if you're excited as me right now, come on, join us and find our dysfunctional family.
Believe it or not, donkeys are an endangered species close to extinction. It is important to all of us to learn how to appreciate them and treat them with love.
So, all these animals are rescued ones, so even these ones we've had in the off-road tour nearby the hills. So now they are fully rehabbed and they are super friendly and they want to stay all the time with you.
After looking at these interesting ecological projects, let us end the day with a sweet note. teaching you what is behind the most delicious flavor of the world, chocolate.
Alright, so the cacao was first domesticated by the Olmecs between the 1500s and 400s before Christ. They were the ones to create the hot chocolate by just adding a little bit of water to their cacao, and that was it. So once we have the cacao in this way, which is already roasted without any butter or oil added to it, we have to grab them, we peel the shell off just like this, and then we just put it in another container to separate the cacao.
We hope you have enjoyed and learned a lot with us here at the Ecofarm.
So don't forget to post your photos and videos on Twitter, Instagram, and use the hashtag Cabo Ecofarm to follow that history. Okay, so thank you so much for coming.